Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Last week it was one of my friend's son birthday. She had invited all of us for the birthday party. So I decided to go there. Today I am going to wear my new dress. This is my splash collection. I have already shown you where I bought this. And this is for my daughter Zainab. Of course she would wear this too. Let's get ready. My sister making hairstyle for Zainab. She is a beautician. If you want any beauty tips, you can also ask below the comment box. This is a present for birthday boy. I bought dresses and chocolates. Now we are ready. My husband didn't come with us because he was busy with work. So we went there together. I have reached her house at around 5 p.m. After reaching there, my friend warmly welcomed us. It was to be a simple birthday party with a few friends and family members. Her friends and family had already gathered there. She made and bought lots of yummy food. The party began when all the guests arrived. Almost everything was ready. Party ended now and the snacks served after celebration. At around 7:30 p.m. we decided to leave. We thanked my friend and went back home. Now I have reached my home. It's time for dinner. I don't know what to cook for dinner. I have a bit of leftover rice and some vegetables. There is also an interesting way to use this. So I'm going to make fried rice. Turn on the heat. First add the oil. Oil is heated up. Now add the chicken pieces. This is boneless chicken pieces and salt. Cook on this each side until golden color. Along with this, green chilies, curry leaves, sliced onion, beans and carrots finely chopped. Mix it together. Again add salt, tomato pieces. This is my mom's special homemade moldy fish sambal. If you don't have any kind of sambal, you can use chili powder or chili flakes. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, beat 5 eggs for this recipe. Pour the beaten egg and add 1 tablespoon pepper powder. Finally, I am going to add leftover rice. Stir fry for several minutes. Make sure the rice is well cooked with all the ingredients. Continue heating until the rice is well cooked. Fried rice is ready. Serve with hot. Garnish with spring onion. Fried rice is a delicious meal and very easy way to make with leftover ingredients. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.